I am Dr. Rangarajan, prosthodontist from Chennai. Quoting Bismarck, a wise person always learns from others' mistakes or failures. Keeping this in mind, the Dentist Channel and the Smile USA Academy are organizing the World Implant Expo 2023 in Kochi, India from November 26 to 28 this year, with a very interesting theme on how to manage failures and implant complications. A plethora of speakers from across the globe will share their experiences in the subject through keynote lectures, hands-on workshops, seminars and table demonstrations. I will be there to moderate some riveting scientific deliberations. It's a great opportunity for all of us to learn, unlearn and relearn. Look forward to meeting you all